Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Here I am Siddharth Sharma. Today I will show you how I can plot a graph using NetworkX library. For this I am using here Spider IDE. You can choose any other IDE also which install it in your PC. Let's open a Spider IDE. Okay, first import a NetworkX library by using command import NetworkX as an X. This command will import a NetworkX library in your code. And now first we will create an empty graph by using by creating a variable g is equal to nx dot graph. This command will create an empty graph. You can run this code. You can see here that our code is run successfully. Now we will add a single node in this graph by using command g dot add node, and add 5 as a single node. Now run this command. You can see our file run successfully. There is no error. To see these 5 here, we have to use a print function so that we can see the node of a graph. Print g nodes. Now run this file. You can see 5 as a node, single node in a graph. Now we will remove this node, and we will add a number of nodes simultaneously, or you can say we will add a list of nodes. First we will create a variable e, and now add nodes in this. Let's add 11, 5, 8. You can also add a variable in this. 2, and last we can see. Okay, this is our list of nodes. Now we will add this in graph by a command g dot add nodes from list name is e. Now save and run this code. You can see here that our nodes here 11, 5, 8, 2, A and C. Now let's go ahead. We will add edges between these nodes. For this we will use a command to add edge g dot add edge, single edge. This will add a single edge in this edge between that we want to add edge between 8 and A. We will write 8, A. This will add edge between 8 and A. Run this file. You can see that file runs successfully. To see this edge, we will use another print function, print g dot edges, edges. This will show you edges. Yes, you can see here 8 and A is edges, single edge here. Now we want to add a number of edges at a time, or a list of edges at a time. So we will first create a number of list of edge. Let create a variable h. Now add a list of edge. Let we will add 11, 8, and then 2 and A. Let 2 and A, 2 and A, and so 8 and C. Let Okay, this is our list of edge. Now we will add this in our graph by command g dot add edges from list. From list name is h. Okay, you can save and run this file. Okay, you can see here this is the list of edges and this is the list of nodes. Until now we see the graph in the form of array, and now we want to see this in a form of graph. For this we have to first import matplotlib library in our code. For this write a code import matplotlib dot payload as ph. Okay, this command will import a matplotlib in your code. Now to create a graph we will use a command nx.draw. This will draw a graph G. Now save and run this code. You can see your graph here. Oh, okay, this is your nodes and edges. Our edge is 1 2 3, 3 edge 1 2 3, and the node is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our edges and nodes. Here also we are not able to recognize which node is this 11 5 8 2. Anything it can happen. To recognize this we will enable our labels by command wrth with labels is equal to true. This command will enable the label in your graph. Okay, you can see here the label also. This is the 11 at C. We add edge between 11 and 8, 2 and A, 2 and A, 8 and C. Okay, this is our graph. Now if you want to add color in edges, it can be done by using that add a color here, G, and between 11 and 8, and here is the command color, color color, and let color this edge as a red. Now save and run this file. You can see the color is red between 11 and 8. Now I will show you how to create a graph without adding nodes first. Here till now we add a node first and then add an edge. Now we will remove these nodes and edges also, and try to add edge without adding vertices. For this let's create a variable h is equal to and we will directly add the nodes, add edge A and 11. Without adding any node we will adding a nodes by using command of edge. This is how what how we can do this. Change all the H. Okay, now save and run this code. Here you can see that without adding any nodes, firstly we will directly add an edge between A and 11. You can see A and 11 here. Now we create a graph of 7 vertices by using an inbuilt function. Let's start. Let's create a variable p is equal to nx dot path graph and let add a 7 vertices. 7. Change this h to p. Okay, now save and run this code. You can see clearly the 7 nodes graph by using a simple inbuilt function path graph. Okay, now let's go ahead and try to create a cycle graph of 9 vertices using a inbuilt function. For this I will write a command. Create a variable p is equal to nx dot cycle graph. This will create a cycle graph of 9 vertices. Okay, now save and run this code. You can see this cycle graph of 9 vertices starting from 0 to 8. This is the cycle graph. Okay, now we will create a complete graph of 9 vertices. For this I will use a command to create a variable p is equal to nx dot complete graph. This command will create a complete graph of 9 vertices. Okay, now save and run this code. Okay, this is a complete graph as every node is connected to each node. You can see that here the number of edges is 36, as we know that formula of edge is 1 by 2 n into n minus 1. So here is total number of edges is 36. Now we can change this 9 to 8, 7, whatever you want. Save and run this code. You can see the highest is 7, starting from 0 to 7, and this will create a complete graph of 8 nodes. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and like this video.